Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming to this event, and we're very delighted that you have made the effort and come to join us. Right. My name is Liyan. I'm an operations manager of YunExpress UK, as well as Elogistics, where Charles come from. We both come from the same group company called ZONGTENG. And ZONGTENG actually provides integrated cross-border logistics solutions to global e-commerce sellers, manufacturer, and trading companies. I am very proud to be one of the 4,000 plus employees of ZONGTENG Group, and I'm working in one of the 30 overseas transit hubs with 1.2 million square meters capacity of warehouse area, covering 100 plus logistics routes, and we process 624 million orders annually, and our revenue reached 3.85 billion euros in 2021. Okay. ZONGTENG Group comprises 3 brands. YunExpress, potentially your ideal e-commerce logistics partner, and Elogistics provides e-commerce fulfillment solutions, and YunTech specializes in customs clearance and return handling. So you can see from this picture, we cover all aspects of your logistics needs of your sales. Okay. Let's forget about Elogistics or YunTech and focus on YunExpress at the moment. YunExpress, as a logistics solution provider, we provide our customers with our cost efficiency, timeliness, comprehensive transportation network, and outstanding teams of experts. The service we provide our customers with great service with all these efforts. Okay. The YunExpress is founded in 2014, and with all these years of development and expansion, we have many parcel routes opened and developed for the past few years. And in 2017, we became Amazon recommended logistics provider. And in 2018, we are the official logistics partner of German Wish. We introduced automatic sorting machine in 2018 as well. And in 2019, we became the official logistics partner of eBay, Volvo, Top Hat, and Shopify. Boomed in 2020, our EU headquarters has expanded further parcel routes in Europe, and YunExpress became the recommended logistics partner of Allegro and Fnac. And in 2021, our business has already covered in EU countries, Asia Pacific, and South America. Now, at YunExpress, we have over 1,500 experienced and hardworking employees, and we process more than 1 million parcels on a daily basis. Under 100 plus self-run logistics routes operated by our 30 plus hubs. And we are very confident to deliver the best service to all our 10,000 plus clients. Okay. Our overseas warehouse capacity covers North America region 630,000 square meters, European region 500,000 square meters, and Asia Pacific 59,000 square meters. Now, let's move on to the next page to see how these hubs are connected as a network and routes to serve our customers. And we have 20 European logistics hubs, including 2 major sorting and processing hubs in Netherlands, where our headquarters based, and also in France. We cover 30+ European markets. We have 70 developed logistics routes, and we are doing more. Next page, please. Okay. Now, on this map, it shows our global logistics network. We have C2G, means China to global, and G2G, global to global. This is only our current logistics routes. We are expanding and exploring more. I can show you. I will be able to show you a much more denser and comprehensive spider web on this map next time when we meet up. Okay. Right. The network routing from the UK, right, where we all are here, UK, and we cover most areas in Europe. Our delivery time is usually from 2 to 6 working days, depends on the countries. And our network from UK to the rest of the world, showing on this map, from UK to Norway, Japan, Australia, Middle East, Mexico, US, and Canada. And now, let's focus on YunExpress UK, where I actually from. Okay, our clients' parcels are processed and delivered to the end user. Our customers' parcels are delivered to our UK warehouses, which are in London and Birmingham, either London or Birmingham, processed and delivered to the end user. And but if the end user not happy with any of the items that they have purchased, or the parcel are not delivered successfully, and YunExpress UK also can help and assist our customers in processing and shipping the returns as per the customer's request. Right. And so, yeah. Can we just go back? Yeah. YunExpress UK provide fast and reliable service. We are flexible and cost-effective. And we are green, not only by recycling and reusing the materials, but also we select our line haulage providers and also the last mile providers carefully based on their eco performance to reduce the carbon footprint as much as we can. Okay, next page, please. And this 3D illustration can show you, UK international network and service. The parcels are delivered to Birmingham facility or London facility. After being sorted and processed, will be transferred and shifted to our EU port facilities, either in Netherlands, France, Belgium, or Germany. And after all these parcels are customer cleared, and they will be shipped to the end users by our local reliable last mile service providers, and to the end users. And for the US line, it's all exactly the same, but we don't use lorries, we use plane, as you know why. We don't want the parcel get water damaged. And last week, I bumped into one of our neighbor warehouse operation manager, and he congratulated me. Oh, Liyan, I heard YunExpress got a cargo aircraft. Oh, that's amazing. And I said, oh, right, yeah, okay. It's only Boeing 777, and we're going to have more. I try to be very modest, as you can say. Right, the next page, please. And now, YunExpress UK, we have 2 warehouse facilities. This first one is London warehouse, London warehouse are doing forwarding parcel operations mainly. They offer end-to-end domestic delivery and international shipping solutions, including customs clearance. The warehouse itself very close to Heathrow. We have to duck when the planes come into the land. We are that close, and we run 24/7, and we're fast and efficient, safe, robust operation procedures and real-time KPI monitoring guarantee our first in, first out rule. And also we have 24 hours guarantee, means from the aircraft landing to the parcels and handing over to the last mile service only within 24 hours. Anytime beyond that will be a major incident. We will have a really detailed investigation on that. Okay, and we have the daily inspection is essential to make sure our quality of the standards of service quality are great all the time. And we apply multi-carrier models which minimize risks of disruption. We all know the Royal Mail like strikes, and increase the efficiency. And we also have value-added service as per request. Okay, right. This page actually is about the warehouse, Birmingham warehouse, YunExpress Birmingham warehouse I'm responsible for. We have great location. We're based in Warsaw, and a great location with convenient transportation links. I'm myself from Telford, not far from Warsaw, if you all know the location. So we're very close to Birmingham, right? And we have extensive experience in processing undeliverable parcels and customer return parcels. And we have customized service and can provide our customers with hassle-free and flexible process, and we can serve small and medium business. And our parcel disposal service is provide our customers with legal liability-free services. And our forwarding services also available on request, because same as London warehouse, we also can provide end-to-end parcel service, whether domestic or cross-border. Okay. Next page, please. And this video is about 2 minutes and showing about these two facilities. Thank you. Can we show that again, please? Yeah. Is it just a picture? Okay. Doesn't work. Sorry, it doesn't work, but whatever shows in the picture is also just real people doing the things I just said. Okay? We deal parcels, we deliver your parcels, and we just we deliver our best service. That's all. Thank you so much, and I hope I haven't bored you too much. Thank you. Now let's move on to Elogistics, and my colleague Charles will present that. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let me do this before I start, yeah? A bit of OCD kicking in. Before I start, I actually like to ditto what George just said. Valuable, great lesson for everybody, actually. It's about adding value for your day as an individual and also as businesses. Our ethos is adding value to our clients. I learned a great saying a couple of days ago, which I shared with the four individuals that visited our automatic robot site, which is a rolling stone gathers no moss. The fact that you lot come here today, made effort, meaning something greater is going to happen in your life. And as a Chinese, we're very superstitious. I checked the lunar calendar before I came here. It's a great day. The doing events actually bring fortune. So I can predict everybody in this room in a year's time will make £1 million. Now, hopefully I'm not boring you as well, but YunExpress, Kamil, and all the successful people related to e-commerce, we actually benefit from this trend of e-commerce. In Chinese, we have two sayings: Red Sea products and Blue Sea products. A Red Sea products means it's a great product, but everybody is selling it. It's meaning you need to shed some blood to actually fight through the crowd and make it successful. But after I was watching Kamil's video, actually, the key is to choose the right product, isn't it? We call that a Blue Sea product. It's a great product, less competition, but with the right marketing and the right tools and right content, you can make that product a really successful and make a fortune about it. But again, what we are proud as a business is we see ourselves as a global e-commerce infrastructure service provider. We, like you, as dropshipper sellers or whoever sellers on Amazon or eBay holding their own stock, only focusing on what you do best, which is choose the right products, do your marketing right for your stores, or doing their R&Ds to develop a better products, but leave the rest of the job to us, to YunExpress, to Elogistic, to World Tech. So we actually create a really good ecosystem servicing all the needs that e-commerce sellers need. By sending parcels from the manufacturing countries via air freight, or do the pick and pack and last mile fulfillment in your local countries. The difference between YunExpress and Elogistic is we are actually a very heavy capital investment business. We have over 100 fulfillment centers across globe. We're purchasing those machines, forklifts, investing a lot of money on the robotic facility to increase our efficiency, to actually meet the end user, the end buyers' ever increasing needs for punctual deliveries and fast deliveries. And that's what we do best. We have three main service products. One is standard warehousing, which probably the warehouse that you've seen before, with the pallet racking, high bay, using the order pickers to pick at the height. We actually did it very, very well. The brand promise is for every orders that sink through our system by 2 p.m., we're going to dispatch them at the same day. Actually, Amazon set the bar really high. We are constantly playing catching up, but hopefully one day we can do better than them. The other one is customized warehouse distribution services. We actually partner with Shein. For the younger generations, Shein has become a must-have app. The second most popular downloaded app in America, and the ranking is going up in the UK as well. What we do with Shein is YunExpress sending the parcels from China to the end user globally via air freight, but we're actually handling Shein's returns. One of the successful ingredients why Shein is so successful because they are providing free returns. Also, because we are so efficient handling all the returns within 48 hours, they will be able to refund the products to the end users very quickly. And actually, the large players like Boohoo and ASOS are all afraid of Shein's, and we're actually part of their DNA. So we can build customized process and warehouse for those bigger clients. End-to-end overseas supply chain service, that actually very powerful products linking with world tech, handling sea freight, YunExpress handling air freight, and we do the parts in the middle and providing this all-round turnkey solution for our clients. Next one, please. Some milestones actually reached over 100 fulfillment centers, 1.2 million square meter, which is 13 million square foot warehouse spaces. Order output is 150 million. That means over 400,000 orders a day. Also, we have over 4,000 global employees. Next one, please. Last one, again. And those are the major platforms we're working with. Our system are integrated with those platforms. Worth mentioning is TikTok, which is one of our investors who bought 5% our share last year. And actually, 2 of our warehouses in the UK are certified TikTok warehouses doing TikTok fulfillment. And TikTok now, we call our service FBT now, fulfilled by TikTok, trying to rival with Amazon one day. What you see in TikTok now in the UK actually is probably 3-4 years ago, the status in China. Now in China, the Chinese version TikTok called Douyin has crossed all demographic, from the younger generation to the elderly generation. Billions of people on that app all the time. And the social commerce has become the norm in China. Influencers are utilizing their influences, pushing their orders, and all the fans are just purchasing them. That's probably another, TikTok, you're already watching it, but watch it closely. There will be a sea change game. Next one, please.
It keeps running forward by itself.
Don't worry. Oh, those are a global presence Shein already told you about. We have presence in Southeast Asia as well, where the popular platform, not Amazon, but Shopee. Probably another revenue stream that you could look into as well, just scaling your business up. And we can do the fulfillment as well. And there will be a debate later on whether at which stage a dropship sellers will move on to a bigger seller selling on major platforms, and you do your holding your own stock. But that's what we do best. We call ourselves a multi-channel fulfillment channel service. Wherever your marketplace is, as long as we can integrate with you, you can managing all the sites globally, warehouse in UK, Germany, America, in one dashboard, and as your access. Those are our core strengths I just mentioned: global network, and our value for money services. That's is the key advantage why we're scaling up so quickly. I leased personally 11 warehouses last year. Now in the UK we have 15 sites, 2.2 million square foot. And in Germany and Czech Republic and France, we also have about 20 sites as well. One of my job remix is trying to acquire more local sellers rather than the Chinese-based sellers. What I found actually is the UK sellers actually fulfill, utilizing our services in Germany and US, fulfill more orders more than what's happening in the UK. Because one reason probably they're doing the fulfillment themselves. The other reason probably they already have a third-party partner. But again, they want to scale up, but we could be their perfect partner. We have already in Germany for several years and American for several years. And the efficiency of our services is unified. We have a huge support team in China who are warehouse operations experts. We have 700 IT people constantly integrating with new platforms and helping the order syncing through into the system automatically. Digitalization is now our trending strategy as well. In the UK, in America, and in Germany, we have this type of robot sites. We call them AMR, or augmented maneuverable robots who weighs 150 kilos, can take 600 kilos in weight, and the shelves about 3 meters high, have 5 levels, 12 peak faces on each side. So on that side, we have 180,000 storage locations specializing in small and medium-sized items. Those items, trendy online, personal care, pet products, kids' toys will be perfect for this type of facilities. And the beauty about this is, instead of people, in terms of the inbound process, instead of the people driving the forklift, finding the location, putting the pallets into the location, the robot actually bring the shelves to the people and people just replenishing at their station. In terms of the outbound, even faster. When the order thinks through, the robot knows which shelf to pick and choose the shortest route and bring the shelves to the outbound station. Make the efficiency twice as fast, significantly drop the overheads of the manpower. For 163,000 square foot warehouse, usually you need 100 people to run the site, but this site only got 18 people. So it massively saved a lot of costs. Again, as a company value, ASOS, that we actually adding value to our clients. So our pricing will be more competitive, and our clients' pricing in their marketplaces will be more competitive as well. So we're finishing with a video that you can see. And then I'll hand the mic to our
ZONGTENG Group continued to expand its logistic network and spread out its digital transformation. It built intelligent warehouses to enhance digital operations of its middle platform, kicking start its transformation for overseas warehouses. For Phase 1, intelligent warehouses of ZONGTENG were first launched in the United States and the United Kingdom, with a planned area of 50,000 square meters and 300 AMR intelligent robots. The warehouses adopt intelligent transport, machine vision, big data algorithms, and other advantaged technologies to match orders and commodities intelligently, achieving a disruptive upgrade from people looking for commodities to commodities looking for people. Compared with traditional warehousing, the operational efficiency in the intelligent warehousing mode has been elevated twice or 3 times, with the accuracy rate hitting 99.99%, labor input halved, and the business performance improved in leaps and bounds.
Comparing with the traditional warehouse operations, AMR facility provides fast and accurate inbound process, speedy picking performance, less manual work involved. I definitely felt like I could work more efficiently, and my productivity has increased a lot more.
ZONGTENG also strives to increase the digitalization at intelligent levels of its overseas intelligent warehousing solutions through the digital twin technology and the old warehouse refitting program, and to innovate its logistics supply chain and increase the vitality of cross-border e-commerce and overseas warehouses.
Alright.
So, okay, we thought it was useful because what a lot of people, the sellers, are using YunExpress, and we want to give YunExpress a face as well to the sellers. Everyone that comes to us, it's like, are you guys using YunExpress, or how are you shipping? It's a key question we get all the time from dropshippers. So we want to give you the opportunity to also see the face of the organization that is actually developing the global e-commerce itself.